Following its world premiere at the Geneva Motor Show last month, the Mitsubishi Engelberg Tourer study will make its Asian debut at the Shanghai Auto Show. For the occasion, Mitsubishi has decided to change the name of its three-row SUV study into EE Concept. The E in the name points to electric, explore, experience, and engage, while the Y is the pronunciation for two Chinese characters. One means strong, robust, durable, and the other beautiful. Nothing else changes compared to the show car unveiled in Geneva, though the EE's body appears to sport a darker shade of grey. The concept previews a next-generation SUV, probably the upcoming Outlander FF. It also showcases Mitsubishi's electrification and AWD technologies, as well as its advanced driver assistance system, ADAS. According to Mitsubishi, the EE can travel for up to 70 km in F mode, according to the WLTP standard, while its total driving range is over 700 km. Besides the EE concept, the company's stand at the Shanghai Auto Show will also include the Eclipse Cross and Outlander models made in China, as well as the Eufeme F and Eufeme FF launched in the local market last year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos.